We just arrived to Tokyo Nippori, and this is the hotel we're staying. It's called what? APA Hotels and Resorts. TKP Nippori. Remember that they have a lot of APA hotels. So let's go in together. Baby, let's go. So this is the 10th floor, 1009. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Yes, the basic, put the card in to get energy. That's right. Pretty tiny, at least this time, compared to last time we came in, which is last year. We have a place to walk. So it's kind of tiny, so bear with me. Behind the door, the hangers, and full body glass. This looks like some kind of machine. We're gonna take a look. Hopefully it's not a heater. 2 garbage can and luggage placement thing. Alright, shoes, indoor, outdoor. So let's look at the bedroom first, because I have no room to move. Alright, huge TV. Wow, that's a huge TV. Nice, pretty high tech. Wi-Fi, password, everything's here. Okay, that's very important. And this is the double 2-people bed. And beside the bed, what do we have? All right, battery charger only. What does that really mean? Oh, for charging purpose. And then bed light, entrance light, bathroom light. Oh wait, can turn off the bathroom light. And this is the fan timing. I'll play with it. Ceiling light, desk light, and a clock. Still have a clock, so. Ooh. We got fan, air circulation. Pretty cool. So we got Kleenex. Important Asia we need to know. This is Sangyongdang. This is a flashlight, I believe. This is a flashlight. Shit, that was it. So anything behind that, baby? Is that a window? Take a look. Oh yes, it's a window. Okay, good. I thought it's so small that's gonna be a thick window. Good, now we have better lighting, so let's turn around. We got light, desk, mirror. What's this? On, off. Okay. It's for the sanity inspector. I think someone left it here, I guess. We got a chain mission. We got a thing with a Visa card advertisement. Okay, water. Okay, we can cook our own water. That's nice. That's mine. That's my purse. Okay, controller, pen, paper, phone. Very important. Cables, Ethernet cables. There's a LAN connector. I'm not sure if there's internet. I can test it because nowadays it's hard to find someone who uses that. Beside laptop, 2 more outlet. This is, I think Japan use 100 volt, so you can use if you're from America, but from China or Hong Kong might be different because they're using 220 volt. So let's check out the washroom, and I guess that's all we have here. It's the door, and then of course the luxury clean your own butt toilet seat, 2 cups, and accessories. I think it's compliment. Does it say? Didn't say compliment. Be aware, razor, mind your own skin, blah blah blah. I will assume they are compliment because last time I was here I used them and they refilled them and I didn't get charged the whole time I was staying here. So they got, let's see, body sponge. Alright, nice. Ooh, that's nice. Got, what's this? Oh, okay, for your hair. Wrap for your hair. Okay. Woo! Oh, it is. Oh, that's nice. This is for the ladies, I think, for the hair tie thing. I might need be a good use of this. 2 shavers, shaving cream inside, and combs, 2 combs. Everything's 2 because when we book 2 toothbrushes. When we book, we said 2 people. Okay, so probably that's why we have 2 towels, hand towels, shower towels. Very tiny. This is my hand, and I almost fit the whole thing. Very tiny place. So it in the same outlet, right? Control hot and cold water. It comes out this way, or it goes over here to the bathtub. See? So it's dual mode. This is how tiny the hotel is, but I love it. It's pretty good. It's kind of big to my expectation. It's bigger than what I think it should be. So let's say take a quick skim through. Yeah, that's it. This is a tiny tub that you can stand and sit but cannot lie down. Yeah, that's it for the room. Close the door, and this is the hallway that I came in. It's time. Oh, I came in. I live right across the elevator. Cool. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. That's my wife waiting for me to finish the video. Hi, baby. Alright, see you guys next time.